Top 10 Interesting Rural Places to Travel Around the World. Rural places often offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life, providing a chance to connect with nature and experience unique cultures. These places offer a diverse range of experiences, from cultural immersion and historical exploration to outdoor adventures surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. Interested in exploring ancient traditions, enjoying natural wonders, or simply seeking tranquility, each destination has its own charm and appeal. Here are some interesting rural places to visit, along with brief descriptions. 1. Hallstatt, Austria. Nestled between the Dachstein Alps and the shores of Hallstatter Sea, Hallstatt is a charming village known for its picturesque landscapes, alpine architecture, and salt mines. Visitors can explore the village, take a boat ride on the lake, and hike in the surrounding mountains. Hallstatt is a small village in the Salzkammergut region, known for its idyllic setting on the Hallstatter Sea. The village features charming pastel-colored houses, a historic market square, and the Hallstatt Skywalk for panoramic views. The nearby Dachstein Ice Cave and Hallstatt salt mines are popular attractions. 2. Shirakawa-go, Japan. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Shirakawa-go is a historic village in the Japanese Alps. Known for its traditional Gasso-zakuri farmhouses with steep thatched roofs, the village provides a glimpse into rural life in Japan. Located in the Gifu Prefecture, Shirakawa-go is famous for its traditional Gasso-zakuri farmhouses, designed with steep thatched roofs to withstand heavy snowfall. The village offers a cultural heritage experience, and visitors can stay in some of these traditional houses. 3. Cappadocia, Turkey. Famous for its unique landscape of fairy chimneys and cave dwellings, Cappadocia offers a surreal experience. Visitors can take hot air balloon rides over the otherworldly terrain, explore underground cities, and enjoy the hospitality of local villages. Cappadocia, in central Turkey, is known for its unique fairy chimney rock formations and cave dwellings. Göreme National Park and the rock sites of Cappadocia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcase the area's rich history. Hot air balloon rides are a popular way to appreciate the surreal landscape. 4. Cinque Terre, Italy. Comprising 5 colorful fishing villages along the rugged Italian Riviera, Cinque Terre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The villages, perched on cliffs overlooking the Ligurian Sea, are connected by scenic hiking trails and offer delicious local cuisine. Cinque Terre consists of 5 colorful villages: Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Cornelia, Monarola, and Riomaggiore, perched along the Ligurian coast. Visitors can explore the charming narrow streets, hike the scenic trails connecting the villages, and enjoy fresh seafood. 5. Oia, Santorini, Greece. While Santorini is often associated with its bustling towns, the rural village of Oia provides a more tranquil experience. Known for its iconic whitewashed buildings and stunning sunsets, Oia offers a peaceful retreat with panoramic views of Aegean Sea. Oia is a picturesque village on the island of Santorini, known for its whitewashed buildings with blue-domed churches. The village offers stunning sunset views, boutique shops, and a relaxed atmosphere. The Maritime Museum and the Castle of Oia are also noteworthy. 6. Bled, Slovenia. Nestled around Lake Bled with the Julian Alps as a backdrop, Bled is a charming town known for its fairy tale-like island in the middle of the lake. Visitors can explore the castle, take a traditional Pletna boat to the island, and enjoy outdoor activities in the surrounding nature. Bled is situated around Lake Bled in the Julian Alps. The iconic Bled Island features a church and a medieval castle overlooking the lake. Visitors can take a traditional wooden Pletna boat to the island or explore the castle, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. 7. Banff National Park, Canada. While Banff itself is a town, the surrounding Banff National Park offers vast rural landscapes. Visitors can explore pristine lakes, hike through alpine meadows, and encounter diverse wildlife in this stunning Canadian Rockies setting. Banff National Park, located in the Canadian Rockies, is renowned for its stunning mountain scenery, pristine lakes, and diverse wildlife. Moraine Lake and Lake Louise are postcard perfect, and the Icefields Parkway offers a scenic drive through the heart of the park. 8. Meteora, Greece. Meteora is a unique rock formation in central Greece, dotted with monasteries perched high on top of towering rock pillars. The monasteries offer breathtaking views, and the region provides opportunities for hiking and cultural exploration. Meteora is a rock formation in central Greece, hosting monasteries perched atop towering pillars. The monasteries, including the Great Meteoron and Varlam Monastery, offer a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural history. Hiking trails provide access to stunning viewpoints. 9. Gimmelwald, Switzerland. Tucked away in the Bernese Oberland, Gimmelwald is a small alpine village surrounded by meadows and mountains. It's an ideal destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts, with access to the Schilthorn and Jungfraujoch. Gimmelwald is a tiny alpine village in the Bernese Oberland. Surrounded by lush meadows and towering mountains, it's an ideal destination for hiking and outdoor activities. The nearby Schilthorn and Jungfraujoch offer breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps. 10. Bhutan. While not a specific place, the entire country of Bhutan offers a rural and culturally rich experience. Bhutan is known for its stunning landscapes, traditional dzongs or fortresses, and a commitment to gross national happiness, making it a unique and captivating destination. Bhutan, nestled in the eastern Himalayas, is known for its monasteries, dzongs, and traditional culture. Paro Taktasang or Tiger's Nest Punakha Dzong and the capital city Thimphu are major attractions. Bhutan's commitment to gross national happiness makes it a unique and spiritually rich destination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching.